Hi there, I'm Dr. Wayne, and this is the custom mobile app I had designed to increase the new auto injury referrals to my practice. I was tired of attorneys and their big advertising budgets getting all the referrals. So I turned to the people at CrashCare, who created a custom iPhone and Android app that could put my practice on the phones of the people in my community when they need me the most. With just the push of a button, new and existing patients can immediately notify my office about their accident and use my app as a resource to help collect information from the scene. My CrashCare app allows people to take photos. It automatically reports the accident location, helps collect other party and witness information, along with all the insurance details. Patients can even schedule their first appointment, all before they speak with the attorney. Best of all, I got 33% off my new custom app during the July sales event. My new app is one of the best marketing decisions I've made. My patients love it, and my number of unattached referrals are higher than ever. To learn more about a custom CrashCare app for your practice, schedule a free interactive demonstration from the link below, or visit the website at www.wearesas.com/CrashCare.